Guys, today I will do the unboxing for Hyphotonflux Pro 720. So we can see the double package carton box. The manufacturers made it packaged discreet. There is no logo on the box, right? And nobody knows what you bought. It's kind of secret. When you open these two double package, first what you can see, it's a sticker Hyphotonflux. Thanks for that. And we can see the user manual with all technical specifications, the pictures, everything is quite understandable. Good, great. Then we can see the AC cable, power cable for the 6 inches. 6 inches is more than enough. And the accessories bag with, how I can see it, with 2 hiring kits. 1, 2, yes, and a 4-knot screw, and also two adjustable. That's all about manual unplugging. Guys, the manufacturer used the folding design, which is quite easy to install and no difficult wearing. The size of the size of the light fixture, it's a 44 by 44. It's quite big, it's cool. It has 8 light pure aluminum bar. Impressive, right? And so, 8 pure aluminum bar, it is good for the heat dispersants and extend the die's lifespan. 8 pieces aluminum bar will have even light distribution. So, the manufacturer used the LED diode from the Samsung. Let's see here, the Samsung, and also the unique red spectrum to reach a better performance the flowering the stage. And guys, I was informed you that the LED diodes on the PCB are fragile. So please make sure you will not touch the LED diodes when you install the light fixture later. Deal? The drivers. Let's speak about the drivers. Okay, let's close it. So nice. The drives are fixed inside the drives box, so there is no exposed and the messy wires. It's very clean and easy to connect. The driver box, there are knob dimmer in the end on the cup, which support you dim the light from the 0 to 100%. You can hear the clicking. You can adjust the power and the brightness depending on your growing stages. Also, there is the RG port in the end of cup that allow you connect to up to 80 lights bar to separate the controller, which is good for commercial planting. Now let's assemble it. It's a folding design with a plug-and-play connector. It's a quite easy and fast to assemble. The first, guys, use this short knob screw to fix these brakes. Okay, good. One, tight well. Be sure it's tight from both sides. And then, okay, done. Tight from the both sides. Step 2, fix the drives on the fixture. Okay, 1, 2. Use the knob screw with the long leg. Okay, 1. Oh, I will be screwed for the, yeah, good. 1 and, oh, so big. I can see, guys. Okay, screwed here. Done. Tie it well. Don't forget about that. Then you need to connect the DC cable. Look it up here. So use it on the top, right? Okay. When you click it, you can hear it. Hop, click. Nice. Then use the AC cable. The same. On the top, you can see the lock, and when you connect it, you can hear the click. Then, that's all. After you connected AC cable, use the hiring kit, like connect the mounting rings to the hooks. Done. For all sides. Done, and one more. That's all. Perfect.